Kia ora, good morning, happy Friday. I am Mike Shirley, Mike from Markets, and this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Right, first things first, the Kiwibank New Zealander of the Year. If your push notifications haven't told you already, it is Jennifer Ward-Leland. I worked out in my head on the train this morning what I wanted to say here, but yeah, I honestly don't think I can cram it all into a few seconds, everything that she's accomplished. So, yeah, there will be plenty of links below, down there somewhere, in first hand. You should click them. She is awesome. Right, on to markets. Markets in a minute. Equity markets. Pretty much all of yesterday's European and US positivity. Remember that? It's basically been unwound. In fact, risk-off was the central theme of the evening. The risk, of course, being COVID-19 concerns. Mainly the veracity of the data coming from China. Yeah, more reporting changes. Who knows what those numbers actually are? Not me. Anyway, on the data front, we had some pretty solid weekly US employment stats and ECB meeting minutes. Both interesting, both more or less trumped by Corona. Just quickly on other assets outside of equities, gold was up, bond yields were down, oil was down, Antipodean currencies were down, just classic risk-off plays. Except the yen was down and the US dollar was up a smidge. Yeah, in these COVID times, the greenback increasingly viewed as a safe haven. Interesting. Yeah. Just on gold, that traded above $1,600, highest level since 2013. Closer to home and going the other way, 63.25, that was the low for the Kiwi. Multi-month low for the poor old NZD. Yeah, it falls on risk off and doesn't really rally on risk on. Markets are tricky. Right, meat and potatoes covered. We have Eurozone, UK and US data is hitting us there. Eurozone, US and UK data will see us into the weekend. I could fix that in post, but I don't know how to fix it in post. Yeah, otherwise it doesn't really matter because COVID-19 headlines will trump everything anyway. Yeah, so have a wonderful weekend watching COVID-19 headlines. Fun. Ka kite anō.